there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without blowing your budget or your mind. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we've got the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, or, as we like to call it, Sharky. And on the right, it's the Roborock Qrevo S Robot Vacuum, or Robby for short. Let's see which one of these bad boys is worth your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk about price. Sharky is coming in hot at $599, while Robby is flexing its muscles at a whopping $799. For that extra $200, Robby better vacuum my floors and make me breakfast. According to reviewers, Sharky offers great value for its price, especially considering its efficient cleaning and self-emptying features. Robby, on the other hand, is praised for its advanced features and overall performance, but some find the higher price tag to be a bit steep. All right, suction power. Sharky boasts incredible suction. Sounds like a superhero, right? But Robby here has a 7,000 pascals suction power. That's like having a mini tornado in your living room. Reviewers love Sharky for its effective cleaning on hardwood floors and pet hair. Robby, meanwhile, is lauded for its powerful suction, especially on different floor types, and for picking up long hair without tangling. Now, self-emptying bases. Sharky's got a bagless, self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt. That's 2 months of not touching your vacuum. Robby's base, on the other hand, can go hands-free for up to 7 weeks. But it also washes mops and dries them with hot air. Reviewers appreciate Sharky's convenience, but note the noise level of the self-emptying feature. Robby's users love the added functionality of mop washing and drying, making it a more comprehensive cleaning solution. Let's talk about brush rolls. Sharky's got a self-cleaning brush roll that digs deep into carpets and is anti-hair wrap. Perfect for pet owners. Robby, however, has a multi-directional floating brush. Sounds fancy, but I'm still not sure what direction it's floating in. Hair tangling? Robby says, not today. Reviewers find Sharky excellent for pet hair and carpets, while Robby's brush design is praised for handling long hair without tangling. Precision home mapping, folks. Sharky uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision to map your home. Robby, though, is like the Google Maps of robot vacuums with PreciSense LiDAR navigation and 3D mapping technology. You can view your home in 3D. Reviewers say Sharky's mapping is reliable and effective, but Robby's advanced mapping features take the cake for accuracy and detail. Voice control and app features. Sharky works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. You can set schedules, initiate cleaning, and even yell at it when you're angry. Robby, on the other hand, has an upgraded app control with AI algorithms, tailored carpet strategies, and multi-level mapping. It's like having a personal assistant for your floors. Reviewers appreciate Sharky's ease of use and basic app features, while Robby's advanced app capabilities are highly praised for their customization and control. Extended runtime. Sharky comes with recharge and resume, so it won't leave the job half done. Robby? Well, with all that tech, it better be able to keep up. Both vacuums will return to their docks, recharge, and continue cleaning. Reviewers note that both Sharky and Robby are reliable in terms of runtime, ensuring your home gets thoroughly cleaned without interruptions. Reviewers find Sharky to be a great value for its price, especially for homes with hardwood floors and pets. Its effective cleaning and self-emptying features are big pluses, though the app could use some improvements. Robby, on the other hand, is praised for its powerful suction advanced mapping, and comprehensive cleaning capabilities, making it worth the higher price for those seeking top-notch performance. So there you have it, folks. Sharky is like your reliable buddy who gets the job done without fuss, while Robbie is the high-tech wizard who'll make your home cleaner than you ever imagined. If you're on a budget and want a solid performer, Sharky's your go-to. But if you want to splurge on some sci-fi level cleaning, Robbie's got you covered. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest comparisons. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart.